going.
Mommy,
Roll the dough. Good, Rose.
roll the
Okay,
dough.
Sissy. You rolled the dough. That a girl, Sissy. Good job. That's exactly what you do with it. Can't get in here to them. Okay, stamp it out. Good. Do it again. Get your cookie out of it, just like the Play-Doh, remember?
Cookie.
Okay, peel your cookie out. You just want to play with that one? That's okay. Okay, that'll be your, that a girl, Ruby. Beautiful circle. Good job. Okay, those will be your cookies, okay? Very good. You keep practicing. I'm proud of you. You're doing a good job. All right. Mommy's going to cut out the rest of the cookies, okay? Good job. All right, they're going to keep cutting out their cookies, and Mommy's going to do this one so we can have some edible cookies.
Some more.
Okay, hold on. I'll show you how to get more, okay? I love you.